Hey, what's going on? Crypto Richie here hanging out with you tonight. All right, so Goblintown, they're giving us some free burgers. I tried to do this earlier and I couldn't mint my burger. We're gonna try it again super quickly because I know what I want. Basically, you go to Goblintown.wtf /burgers, click want a burger. Okay, we enter the McBurger joint. You got to connect wallet. I'm going to try this again because I've seen people on Twitter like successfully order their burgers. For some reason, I can't, order my burger. Click on who's hungry. It's going to show my goblin. I'm going to click him, serving that dude. Okay, take my order. So now we're going to click start with the sauce. I think I like the rainbow sauce. The meat, I think I was going with the guts. The cheese, I think we were going with the brain cheese or the green cheese. Yeah, one of those. Maybe we'll go with the brains, make it look pretty nasty. The topping, I think I was going with the little spaghetti looking thing, or we'll go with this one. I think it looks a little better. Let's see what this looks like. See what that looks like. See what that looks like. Nah, I think I'll go with that. So we did the topping. Yeah, we did the topping. Okay, sides. Maybe I'll go with the eyeball potion with the little curly fry worms. This is classic. We've seen this on Twitter a lot. This also looks cool with the guy, with the little buggy Lou hanging out in the drink there, or you get a juice box, or the original potion. This kind of looks good too, the potion drink. I think maybe we'll switch it up, go different, or we can get this like unicorn head thing, fox head or whatever that is. Or the eyeball drink. This looks interesting. Man, I don't know what to pick. That looks cool. Let's roll with that thing. Okay. Buns. I think I wanted to go with the tire buns. Let's see what that looks like. Tire bun. Or the regular bun. Or socks buns or whatever that is. Rotten bun, poop bun. Poop bun looks pretty nasty too. That looks pretty good actually. Okay, so order combo. Here we go. Finally able to order my combo. So now I'm going to basically confirm, pay my little gas fee, and now I ordered my Thank you for your order. This NFT is what you ordered. Your order will be ready soon. Here, go to OpenSea, refresh. Thank you, bye-bye. Wow. Pretty cool. I think I ordered it's different than my original order. I had the tire bun and the other combo, but whatever. It worked. So let's see if I go to OpenSea. Let's see if this thing's in my account now. It looks like my McGoblin combo is being made at this moment. Let's click that. It looks like it's being made. Cool. So that's pretty much it, guys. Tony Richie, Crypto Richie here hanging out with you today. Let me know what you think. Pretty cool. I think this is pretty cool. I'm glad I got my little my goblin right here. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you got a burger or whatnot. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you're a newbie, just curious, looking into this stuff, and you never got into crypto yet, you want to make some money with crypto, and NFTs, click to my website right over here or down below in this little description here and check out my site because we have a lot of alpha going on. Because I got a lot of connections in the crypto industry. We got, I'm in some private groups and whatnot, and cool things going on. So it's Tony here hanging out with you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.